Okay, here's how to actually create your reports. Go to the reports page, export as an Excel. That'll download onto your computer. Open up your report format. Once you've got your report format open, you want to select recipients. Now you're looking for that file that you downloaded. Find it, open it, select the first option that comes up there. That'll be the sheet that the information is on. Now, some report formats are set up using spaces, so you can see that this one is. If we move our mouse along, the cursor moves with us, and that means that when we insert something, it's actually going to move the item to the right. You can mitigate for this by deleting the spaces in advance before you put things in, and that can save you some time later on. So what we're going to do is go into each of the boxes and check and see if that's how it's been done in the boxes. If the mouse moves down as we click, we'll find that that's how it's been done. So you can see there what's happening. So I'm just deleting the spaces in the report, and then we'll insert the text straight in, and it won't create extra spaces and mean that we have to go through each one and sort it out. Once we've done that, we want to insert the actual merge fields, as they're called. So start the first one, put your cursor in that place, go to the merge field, insert the appropriate comment there. So for us, that's personal comments in this report format. Next one, obviously English, maths, and so on. Once you've done all this, you're basically ready to go. You can preview by clicking that button there, and it will let you just see how that's working. So if you've got any funny spacing going on or anything you want to fix, then you can fix it. If you're completely happy with it, then you can finish the merge altogether by clicking Finish and Merge. This will merge all of your files into a brand new document, and it's then ready for you to then do your next step. As you can see, this particular file that we've used has only got 2 reports in it. It's got Sam's and John's, and they've inserted the relevant comments in the relevant report automatically for us. So hopefully that saves you some time.